Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can enable the screensaver and what are the options of the screensaver, how you can use it. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the setting. We have to click on this icon. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this we have to set the screensaver here. We can you open the screensaver from here, but we can get that easily from here through searching. So I'm going to search for the screensaver. So let's write the screensaver. As you can see here, you will get the second option for the screensaver. So we are going to click on this. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the screensaver option is open, and this is the preview of it. If you want to write any kind of other message or any kind of other sentence or word, you can also do that. You just have to write that, and then simply you have to hit the OK. So I'm going to click on the cancel, and after that, as you can see, has an option of 20 minutes. You have to select the screensaver, show the screensaver after 10 minutes, 20 minutes. You need to select the duration, and after that you have to go to the desktop. If you want the options for the desktop, you will get those all options here. So we are going to bake again. So as you can see here, and hard corners and some other options are provided here. If you want to show the clock, you can also do that. You need to click on this, or if you want to use a random screensaver, it's up to you. And some other options are provided here. You can also choose them as well. So in this way you can put a screensaver on your MacBook. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can put a screensaver. So see you guys in the next video.